An old hideout, guys. It's Christmas Day and I've come to an old sheep station here on the Lug Flats. You can see the flats behind me. It's a vast area of arable and grazing land. The River Lug is over there, flows into the Wye about 3 miles, about 2.5 miles maybe southeast. And we'd come here when we were kids. This was a favourite play spot. Used to be full of hay here. Right here, it's full of hay. It's not now, it's a dilapidated shed now. And it sure has deteriorated, whoops, in a very short period of time. And look here, guys. I wrote this, or should I say carved this, into this beam, side beam here, in 2012. Paul and I were having a brew there on the wall. We had the stove out and we were just chilling out. But yeah, check this out. MJ, PJ, Mark Jick, Paul Jick. 5th of the 4th, 2012. Almost 6 years ago. Almost 6 years ago. Just stood here having a brew, which is what I'm going to do now. I brought a flask with me. I've just come here to remember Paul, my life with Paul, and to wish you a great new year from this amazing dilapidated shed, which has seen a lot of action over the years. I mean, here's the old sheep diplet, right here. This is sheep country around here, guys. On the flats, that is. Right out there. It's always full of sheep. Yeah. Practically falling down now. Paul used to put his bike there, lock his bike up there, and stash his kit. And he'd go out onto the flats, into the Wye Valley as well, and do some trail running. And the day before he died, he put in his diary, good run, good finish. Go figure. Yeah, he loved it out here, Paul. Loved running, keeping fit. Here, I'll show you a nest. It should still be here. I'm really enjoying finding these nests at the present moment. I don't egg collect anymore. I did in the early 70s, in the 70s and early 80s, as did Paul. We had a great egg collection. But of course, ethically, I wouldn't do it now. So I'm getting a real kick out of finding the nests. During winter, predominantly, because they're all exposed. But here's one. Check it out. This'll be a ring ousel or blackbird, something of that nature. Might even be a thrush. It's old now. Check it out. Nice little nest. Beautiful. Probably laid a clutch of about 5, 6 eggs. I wonder how many of the fledglings survived. Brutal world out there, eh guys? Alright, I'm going to have a flask of tea. But before I do, I'd like to say thank you very much for supporting me over this last year, over 2018. It's been a real pleasure talking to you, communicating, sharing ideas and commenting on your own videos. YouTube is amazing. It's given me a lot, and it's giving you lot a great deal also. I reckon we ought to be thankful for YouTube. We know who owns it, Google, massive company, but you know, the fact of the matter is it's a free platform and we're all getting a lot out of it. It's hard work. It can be hard work, you know, because the reality is, you know, we all want to get noticed. We all like our videos to be received. But I think the thing is not to panic. You know, upload if you enjoy it, and if you enjoy it, that's the main thing. Alright, so here's to 2019, guys. It's Christmas Day here in the shed on the Lug Flats just outside of Hereford. Wishing you all the best. From me, the Y Explorer. See you in 2019. Alright guys, peace.